Okay, in the concrete function part 1 we have seen how to create a series, and how to concatenate two series. Okay, and how to concatenate two data frame, as you can see my previous video for uh, to know about the concurrent function. Okay, and we have also discussed some parameters of concurrent function, as you can see here: x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Okay, to combine row wise and column wise accordingly. Now in this tutorial we will discuss about some other parameters of concurrent function. Okay, so as you can see as you can see, we have to concatenate two series with different values. Okay, as I have already discussed, if it, series 1 have suppose 4 values and series 2 has suppose 3 value or 5 value, it means different value of series 1, then we can easily concatenate the two series. Similarly, we can concatenate two data frame with different values. Okay, different number of values. Okay, just as you can see here, our data frame, in our data frame 1 named as df1. Here you can see there are the 1 to 5 for value, 1 to 4 value, and 1 6 to 9 value. There are four values in each key IDs. Okay, each in IDs. Okay, and in second data frame SR, serial number is a key and values of is 4 5 6 7 8. But there are four value. It is need to show all the values are 4 and 4 and 4. If they are not equal, then you our data frame df when we call is show the error. But when we concatenate two data frame, it is also concatenate the data frame with different values. Suppose in concatenated data frame 2, suppose here only two values. Okay, and suppose here we remove two values here, and also removes two values. Okay, now we okay, so first we need to call our first data frame. Now second data frame. Okay, as you can see only two rows. Okay, now concatenate two data frame df1 and df2. So we simple concatenate two data frame. Okay, as you can see in our first data frame, only second data frame only two values, so remaining two values are the take the missing value, or not a numeric value, or it is a in short as nan value in our data frame. These are all the entry fill with nan value, because into two in the second data frame df2 has only two rows, while in first data frame dfn has all four values. Okay, because this concatenation with column wise, because as you can see here x is equal to we pass 1, but if we pass x is equal to 0, it is concatenate with the row wise. Or if you don't pass any value, because it by default take the x is equal to 0. Okay, so it take the x is equal to 0 means is concatenate row wise. Okay, now we run the program. Okay, as you can see our two data frame is concatenate with row wise. Okay, so first second data frame, as you can see xy, and then first data frame abcd. Okay, so as you can see here 0 1 2 0 1 and 0 1 2, this is the problem, because it take the default value the first data second data frame and then first. If we want to remove this type of problem, we write here index ignore equal to true. Index ignore, we this is the parameter of concurrent function, and we pass this parameter we to assign all values are equal. Okay, so to overcome this type of problem, because you can see 0 1 and 0 1 2 3 4, we write simple here ignore index. Okay, and it take by default value false, so we assign here true, because when we assign is true, it means is take the value of the row wise. Okay, so we write here true. Now run the program. Okay, now you can see our the index 0 1 2 3 4 5, it is the correct form, because we use the ignore index equal to true. Okay, So this type of problem we can overcome with the help of index in ignore index parameter of the concurrent function. Okay, now if we want to print the common value into data frame, we have a parameter in concurrent function named as join. Okay, as you can see the parameter concat in the parameter join parameter takes two values, inner and outer values means it print all values. Okay, it means the union of two data frame. But when we use the inner parameter inner when we use the parameter in join, it takes on the common value or intersection of two data frame. Okay, so simply we write here pd dot concat. Okay, and okay, you can see the description about join parameter. For this, first you press the shift and tab, and you can see, okay, you can see here the join is a inner and outer. It take by default values outer means is take the union of two data frame. But when we use the inner join in inner, then it handle uh, it take only those values which is common in both data frame, or you can say the intersection of two data frame. Okay, so we use this parameter. For this we copy, or you can simply you can pass the two parameter df1 and comma df1 and df2. X is equal to 1 because we need to combine two data frame in column wise. So here we pass here x is equal to 1. Okay, now join equal to inner. Okay, and then simple run the program. Okay, as you can see, it take the common value in two data frame, df1 and df2. Okay, and print and join or concatenate two data frame with column wise. Okay, 0 1 and 5 6, only these are two values which is common in both data frame. Okay, we have another parameters of concat function we will discuss in the next video or next tutorial. Hope so it is clear all of you. If you have any type of query, please write in comment section, and if you like this, please hit the like button and share among the friends. Thank you so much.